There'll be times in life when you find yourself adrift, floating, seamless with the water. There is no gap between you and nothingness. Your mind softens. The body takes form of those things around you. Your life becomes meaningless. No direction, no purpose, no call. In these moments, all else seems of little importance. Your connection to the world around you seems distant. The thoughts in your mind seem scattered, without end, without need. In these moments, I beg you, return to your calling. Return to your purpose. The world around you was not made for you, but you for it. Seek out the small things, the laughter, the joy, the whispers in the dark of love, of life, of a future that holds so much more than right now. Because right now you are in the depths. You are at the deepest, lowest point. It may feel like there is no end. It may feel like this is without meaning, but those around you, they see it. They see what you cannot. They see your purpose. They see what matters and how important it is that you get up, that you move on, you keep going, you find the drive, because there is no one else who can do it for you. There is nothing else that can do it for you. There is no person, there is no cure, there is no surgery, there is no thing, there is no process, there is no leader. There is you, the inner wisdom. There is the calling to be more, to leave an impact so large and yet so subtle that all of the drops of rain combine to make a wave. One you will not see, for it is far away from you, but one that started with you. To live fearlessly and yet recognize your mortality. To live without restraint and yet know the boundaries of one's existence. To feed into the drip of life and not get lost in its splendor. Allowing the wind to gaze, to graze, to brush against your body, knowing that it came from some distant land, carrying the birds around you as they float and dive, bob, and weave, like there is nothing else but space. In this moment, I ask you, be one with all that is around you, but be you and nothing else. The complexity of all of the world depends on the intricacies that you allow to unfold every day, every choice, every breath. Do not waste it. Begin today, and the whole world will see exactly what it is that you were destined to do all along. And it is not until the end of your journey that you too will see the mirror, will see the dream. You will see why it is that you are here in the first place. The path is not the thing that is obvious. It is the end. You will recognize at the close of day that your life truly means more than you could ever understand. Do not waste it. Do not go gently. Fight until the last breath. And in that final breath, rejoice that you've given everything you possibly could. For no one else could have done that for you. Breathe deep and exhale. Begin now. Begin.